Here we go. Ooh, nice. Come to Papa. Oh, beautiful.
What you doing, Dad?
Huh?
Are those car parts?
What? No, that's not car parts. It's a new refrigerator for Mom.
Does Mom know about this?
All right, look, fine. It's car parts. All right, do me a favor. Don't tell Mom.
$10 to not tell Mom? Pfft, it's gonna cost you more than that.
Oh, come on. You gotta be kidding me. All right. Fine, just don't tell Mom.
$100. Deal.
Cool. All right, thank you.
I'd have done it for 20.
Wait, what? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Daninator channel. In today's episode, we're going to be working with Project Rescue Sierra. I've got two things I want to accomplish in today's video. One is functional and one is cosmetic. All right, so the first thing is functionality. This fog lamp is busted. Something crashed into it, busted it. There's no bulb. The lens is missing and everything. It's toast. So I've got a replacement right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the passenger side as well. The second thing I'm gonna be doing is strictly cosmetic. I have a vision as to what I want this truck to ultimately look like. Remove the chrome and basically make this an all body colored vehicle. So either paint or replace the chrome bumpers, paint or replace the side mirrors, and get rid of that chrome grille. Replacing that chrome grille with this gray grille right here. Now this is a plastic grille. I don't know how well paint would accept on this, but since it's already gray, we're gonna go ahead and run with it. I think eventually I'd like to maybe have it body colored in this metallic body color, but I don't know. And eventually I would like to black out the rims, either remove or paint the chrome body molding, and then black out anything else that might be chrome. Specifically, I'm thinking the badges back here, Sierra and GMC, doing some like, I don't know, plastic dip or something like that, and black out the badges. So that's kind of my vision for how I want this truck to look. We're gonna get started, replace these fog lamps, and then tackle that grille. I'm under here, and there's one here and one right next to it. So figure out what that is and we'll unbolt it. See, there's the socket and the bulb is completely broken off. So it turns out these are 10mm bolts. The other one's clear over here. So we'll get these two out and we'll drop this fog lamp. And out it comes. So you can see that's where it mounts. Very nice. Even comes with the new bulb. Very nice. This is a Cool View part number. Looks like I will need to make some adjustments with this screw right here. Dial this thing in so it'll fit that hole properly. I did put a washer on that side to help line it up just right, because it was just a little bit off. So I use that as kind of a spacer or a shim. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. That looks great. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Of course, they're not LEDs, so they're not bright white like my headlamps, but it's nice to see those things on. Those fog lamps never worked since I've owned this thing. All right, so I'm gonna take this shroud off. Hopefully it'll come off without any problems. Naturally. I'm losing them all. Okay, so what this is, I'm just going to put a screwdriver in here, turn this, okay, and that just gets that off of that post there. Okay, there's a little metal clip that holds the sides in. There we go. Cool. So we got that grill out. The new one is from carparts.com. I want to thank them for sponsoring this video. I located it on their website. They have it in stock. Add to cart, boom. It's at my front door before I even knew it. So it's a YCC brand. It's original equipment, reproduction, I believe. All the holes and everything line up just fine. It does come with hardware. I don't have to reuse any old clips or anything. It doesn't come with the logo, so I have to just pop that out with these little tabs right there, and we'll be able to swap that over. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the clips on, swap out the logo, and then snap that thing in place. Whew. Okay, it looks like everything's lined up good. Okay, I'll just twist these. I'm gonna put this shroud back on. Those new fog light assemblies are making my headlights and turn signal lenses look pretty sorry. We're gonna have to remedy that. New fog lights and a dark grille is starting the de-chrome process on this truck, which I think when it's all said and done, it's gonna look really nice. All right, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Thanks again to carparts.com for sponsoring this video. Check out my channel. If you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe if you're so inclined. And as always, thanks for watching. God bless. Be sure and hit that like switch on your way out. We'll see you next time. Almost forgot.
Nice.
Special thanks to carparts.com for sponsoring today's video. Guys, if you're searching for replacement parts for your vehicle, give carparts.com a look. Their mobile-friendly site makes it super easy to search for and buy parts online anytime, anywhere, giving DIYers a parts store on demand.
We got it.
We
Thank
got
you.
it.
We got it.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.